Hey guys, this is Mubassir from Level Up Marketplace, and in this video, we'll be discussing about a quick tour of all the apps regarding all the navigations available in here. As you can see, the first and the foremost step is to get yourself onboarded. You have to complete the tasks in here, and you will be receiving points regarding completing any task. You can watch the videos regarding the task and get help from there as well. You will be starting the task. When you scroll down, you will be having different sort of categories, like there's customization setup, agency tools, store setup, location tools, and all of them top to bottom. And then there is dashboard, includes the rankings. There are news feeds, global dashboards, apps available. Buy all the apps that are recommended and that are being installed. All of the things that can be mentioned in here. The rankings includes your own agency's rankings, that how much points have you got from completing the task. And after completing the task, you will be also be receiving real rewards and some sort of virtual rewards as well. Let me have a look from here. This is the user ranking. If a user is performing tasks, he will be receiving points from here. This is the leaderboard. There are award ranks available. This is the learning progress. From here, there's onboarding progress and the checklist as well. This can help you just to get more points as you can. And then there is the newsfeed. The upcoming updates from all the apps can be seen here. And then there is, just a moment, the other sort of things regarding your global dashboard from here. As you can see, the total number of apps available, apps recommended, top selling apps available here, and the total used apps, the top used apps from here. When you scroll down, you will be receiving more of them. There's sub account bundle, there's an agency bundle available as well, recommended. Then there are apps available just to demonstrate these kind of things, recommended ones, installed apps, and all the stuff. Then there is financial. If you have SaaS configured, SaaS planned users available here in your agency, you can see those as well. There are financials. All the transactions being done through your agency can be seen here. I can just not show you due to privacy concerns. There are sub accounts available under your agency can be seen here, and there are awards that you have achieved and which kind of level you are right now, that can be seen in here, as you can see. And then there is education section. You can just see the podcast, get more knowledge. There are videos regarding the apps introduced by all the apps and Level Up Marketplace. From here you can get the videos in here. There is the categories that the apps are there, and agency support as well. You can We'll be seeing more updates in here as well to the bottom. And then there is the checklist. It is familiar, or I would say just parallel to the onboarding list, but you can just have a look at the checklist from here and check the things being done by your agency from here, and also just get guided by the instructions available from here. You will be also receiving points by doing this from all the categories. And then there is the setup. You will be having an onboarding from here like this one and complete the task. And then there are snapshots being introduced by all the apps can be seen from here. There are quizzes. You can just answer the quizzes. Once you answer all, the next subcategory will be unlocked, and once you complete a category, the other category will be unlocked. You will be also receiving points through this. There are change logs. Whenever changes has been done, the logs will be changed by all the apps from here, and you will be having the instructions and the information regarding the updates on that specific kind of date from here. You can just get it filtered from here and also search down specific change logs from here. There is the players which are right now playing for the points in all the apps can also be seen in here. You can just search down and get their details in here. There is app marketplace. All of the apps being introduced by all the apps can be seen in here. You can search down from them from here. There are other categories available. There are types. There are prices if they are paid. There are business types and the other sort of apps as well to the bottom. As the market is being more revolutionized, so you can just have a look at different kind of apps. Like these apps can be categorized into different things. Like they can be widgets, they can be integrations, they can be conversations provided, they can be payment providers or so. Then you can have a look at the partners which are playing roles in the apps. There are on different levels of partners available in here. And then there is a customizer. You can get your app white label. The most exciting thing, you can just resell the app as you want. You can just get your logo in here, get your domain in here, follow the instructions given here, direct it to this IP address, and your app will be white label. Same goes for the knowledge base and the snapshot knowledge base as well. As you can see, now comes for the tools. If you want to enable these tools inside your sub account level and the other sort of features that can be enabled, you can just enable the toggle from here and they can be used on your sub accounts. And then it comes for the theme builders. This is the customizer. You can just customize your own theme or choose from the available ones. Same goes for the login page builder. You can just get it customized to the colors. There is the logo customization from here for yourself. You can just get it enabled and saved. There is AI. You can chat with these AI agents for the app support and the level of support from here. There is the location agent. You can just add instructions and enable that, and you can just get it navigated towards your sub account. Same goes for the agency agent, and also add agency instructions from here. There are the tools. There are agency tools and there are location tools. You can add and use these tools from here. You can just simply download the file Excel sheet and create the location by filling out the sheet, and after that save it and upload it back then in here, and your location will be created in simple steps, not to go back to go high level from here. And after that you can see there are CSV users, same progress. You can just download it, fill out the sheet. You can just make multiple users from here, and after that you can upload the CSV file in here and your user will be created in seconds. After that, there is multi-location dashboard. You can just have a dashboard of your multi-locations all in one place in here. And another complete video has been made. You can just get the help guides from here, watch the videos and get help to configure the tool from here. And there goes for CRM sync. Synchronize your agency with your all the apps from here. Just start a campaign from here and get it go. There is location headquarters. All of the videos are being added in here in the help guide. The other tools are available on the sub account level. I will be showing you with that. These are onboard tips. You can just get it updated and enable the token, and you can just navigate it to your sub account from here. There is onboard list. Create your own onboard list for your sub account from here. After that, there are questionnaires. Same goes for the sub accounts. And then there is the checklist. Same goes for the agency. Create one and just categorize them. There are tasks available for the agents, for the sub accounts. And then there are forms. You can just specifically create any form, fill out the details, configure that, and get it located on your sub account level from here. Create new form, fill out the fields in here, and get it configured from here. Edit section, and this would be the interface. Fill out the details in here. As you can see, fill out the full name, full email address, and this form can be shown anywhere you want on the sub account level. Then goes for your stores. Create your snapshots in here, add new snapshots, fill out the fields. If you have configured it through your onboard list from here, like you can just copy the JS script, CS script, and the other such details, and your agency will be configured. Then your snapshots can be available from here in the snapshot section. You can just resell them on the sub account level from here. Then goes for the services. Same goes like whenever you are a virtual assistant, you want to sell services, you are running ads for such agencies, so you can just get it uploaded here. There will be recurring ones or one-time services as well. Then goes for all orders. You can just locate and just monitor of the orders you receive. Then goes for the navigations. If you want to navigate such sort of buttons available on your agency, you can just get them configured on here from the right hand side button. Like this is just an example. There are such other sort of buttons available, like the dynamic links. You can just create the links in here in your agency. There are location based, location controlled links in here. They're custom based now. Through these, you can just enable and just show them to your sub accounts from here and create new buttons from here. Just enable their functionality and enter the custom URL, and it will be appearing on your sub account level. And after that, there is the app creator. You can just add snapshots, create the apps on your marketplace, sell them as you want from here. Same goes for the services, people, creators, and my own AI agents. You can just sell them, creating an app on the marketplace. Same goes on your agency level as well. There's support section. You can add feedback button for your users on your sub account level, and a feedback button will be appearing. Choose the interface of these feedback buttons, and they will be responding as you want. There's video support available. You can just get it white labeled. You can just add the custom URL from here, get it enabled, update, and after that, that can be also updated on your sub account level. There's knowledge base. You can just add documents, create new documents, change the languages, and share as much knowledge as you can on your sub accounts too. There are banners, there are news feeds, media library. Same goes for the sub accounts. Create support ticket. You can just get it connected, and your sub account can just create tickets from here, like this button. It will be appearing in your sub account level in the support section. Create your ticket from here, app request, new app request, and fill out the forms from here and just submit, and your ticket will be created like this. There's management. You can just have a look at the users around your agency. There are locations around your agency and the snapshots around your agency. There's help section, submit the ticket, FAQs, request a new app. There's a roadmap. This is exciting. The users can get updated, like what's coming on, what's being planned, what is completed, what is in the testing phase from here. There are change logs from your own agency that you can just create new change logs from here. There's an onboard section available, like the one button available in here. And then comes for the other part, that is the testimonials. You can just leave your feedback like the other hundreds of clients have made for us, and that can be shown here. You can just make them a Zoom call for your help regarding any sort of issues or questions in all the apps. Fill out the form. If you want a support call, book the calendar from here on the available slots, and your slot will be booked. And then goes for the settings. This is the part in the onboarding section. Copy JS script in your company settings, white label, and JS script. As I have mentioned before, connect your Stripe account for your SaaS plans ones or the other things. And the snapshot completion, get your profiles to get a lot of cash prices. And after that, your snapshots will be appearing here in the management snapshot section. Create new snapshots in here and get them configured from the add details. This interface will be shown. You can just add more details and documentation for your users and buyers of your